Any problems?
Batman.
What happened?
He couldn't keep up.
You sound disappointed.
Doesn't matter. I got the job done.
Don't worry yourself with anyone or anything. Except pleasing me. Now bring me my money. Good kitty. How would you say it? Perfect. Say it for me, kitty. Say, perfect.
Perfect.
You can go now. What the fu-
Not yet, Ivy. 50-50. Remember?
Since I can't control you, maybe I'll finish our deal another way.
Oh, I wouldn't. If my vitals don't remain, well, vital, this herbicide bomb will make nasty work of you and your pets. But let's not go down that road. I have a job that will pay 10 times what you made today. Think of all the fertilizer you could buy. I've even brought you a gift. Your favorite color.